Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you an absolutely amazing niche that is going insanely viral right now, the baby fire niche. Before anything else, I want you to carefully watch these shorts that I created using completely free AI tools. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open YouTube. Now go to the search bar and type Spark Studios. After searching, open this channel. As you can see, the channel has only around 755 subscribers and just 61 videos. Now click on the Shorts tab, then click on Popular. And look at this, the very first video has 8.2 million views. That clearly shows this niche has huge viral potential. If you scroll through, you'll see many videos getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. This proves that the niche is not only viral but also trending right now. Now, choose your favorite scene or character. You should plan to upload at least 3 to 4 characters consistently. For me, I really like this baby fire character, so I'll quickly take a screenshot and save it. Once the screenshot is saved, go to ChatGPT. Open the website, upload the screenshot, and write this prompt. I want to create this type of video. Make sure the character looks exactly like this image. Give me 10 unique prompts. Then press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will first give you a master character base prompt, which you must use before generating images. After that, it will provide 10 unique scene prompts like watching phone at night, shocked reaction, happy gaming, angry mode, crying scene, and many more creative scenarios. These prompts make it extremely easy for you to generate high-quality text-to-image visuals while keeping the character consistent. Now simply copy all the prompts. Open a Word file and paste them there. This way, it becomes very easy to copy and reuse them whenever you need. Next, copy the master prompt first. And now we move to the next step, the text-to-image platform. Alright viewers, now let's move to the next step. First, we're going to open the website PicLumen. Go to PicLumen and open the website. Now click on the image option. After clicking on the image option, the first thing I'll do is select the aspect ratio. For YouTube Shorts, we need 9:16. So I'll select the 9:16 ratio. Next, I'll paste my master prompt here, the one we copied earlier. Okay viewers, now I'll go back to my Microsoft Word file. From there, I'll copy my first prompt, watching phone at night. After copying it, I'll come back to PicLumen and paste this first prompt here. Now I'll click on the Generate button. As you can see, within just 10 to 20 seconds, the first image is ready, and look at this. The baby fire images are generated perfectly. The character looks great, the quality is amazing, and everything looks very clean. Now I'll copy the second prompt, shock reaction. I'll remove the first prompt and paste the second one here. Then I'll click generate again. Within 10 to 20 seconds, it gives me another amazing image. You can see the character looks consistent and very high quality. Next, I'll move to the third prompt, happy gaming. I'll copy it, paste it here, and click Generate. Again, within seconds, the third image is ready. The character design is still consistent and looks fantastic. Now let's move to the fourth prompt, Angry Mode. I'll copy the angry prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. After a few seconds, the fourth image is ready, and again, it looks amazing. Now I'll go to the fifth prompt, Crying Scene. I'll copy it, paste it here, and click Generate. After a short wait, the crying scene image is also ready. Now, I'll continue doing the same process for prompts 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, pasting them one by one and generating the images. After about a minute, all my images are ready. Now I'll show you each image one by one. The character, the eyes, the hoodie, and the overall look. You can clearly see the character is consistent in every image. So this method works perfectly. Now I'll download my favorite images and save them. And with that done, let's move to the next step. Alright viewers, now let's move to the next step, image to video. First, open the website Digen AI, which is the platform we'll use to generate our videos. After opening Digen AI, you can see that it gives you 150 free credits daily. Now let me scroll down and show you some examples. Here you can see multiple sample videos already uploaded on the platform. As I scroll down, the videos automatically start playing. Notice the smooth movements, natural animations, and high-quality motion effects. All the videos look very professional and eye-catching. This shows how powerful Digen AI is for image-to-video generation. Now, without wasting time, I'll click on the Create option. After clicking Create, I'll upload my first image. Once the image is uploaded, I'll paste the matching prompt that I already prepared. Now I'll click on Generate Video. You can see that generating one video only costs around 20 credits. That means with 150 daily credits, you can easily generate around 7 to 8 videos per day. After clicking Generate, it shows about 3 minutes of waiting time. Let's wait. Alright viewers, after waiting a few minutes, our first video is ready. And as you can see, the result looks amazing. The head movement, fire effects, and overall animation look smooth and very engaging. Now I'll download this first video. Next, I'll upload the second image. After uploading it, I'll paste the second prompt and click Generate again. This time it shows around 4 minutes of waiting time. After waiting, our second video is ready, and again, the quality looks fantastic. Now I'll upload the third image, paste the third prompt, and click Generate. After a few minutes, the third video is also ready, and it looks just as impressive. I'll repeat the same process for the fourth and fifth images. After a short wait, all my videos are ready. Now I'll play them one by one so you can see the final results. You can clearly see that each video is unique, smooth, and very eye-catching. Now download all the videos one by one. And with that done, let's move to the final step. Open CapCut. Upload all the downloaded videos into CapCut. Drag them onto the timeline in your preferred order. Then go to the Scale option and slightly zoom in to remove the watermark or logo if needed. Arrange the clips however you like. Choose which video plays first and which comes next. Now let's preview the final result. As you can see, our final Baby Fire video looks absolutely amazing and unique. Now click on Export and your viral Baby Fire video is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI content. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.